Here it is again, watermelon. Here on the channel, we have videos about the benefits of this fruit, how to use its rind, how to pick the perfect watermelon at the supermarket, and how and why it is good to eat watermelon seeds. When we think about watermelon, the first thing that comes to mind is a red, sweet, and juicy fruit. But what many people don't know is that the rind is where we find most of the nutrients, like vitamins A, B6, C, zinc, magnesium, and potassium. Have you watched any of these videos yet? If you love watermelon as much as we do, you will be surprised to learn the benefits hidden in its rind. Helps with muscle gain. Did you know that the citrulline levels found in the rind of watermelon help you with weight workouts? Citrulline is an antioxidant and helps with healthy weight gain. Regulates blood pressure. Watermelon rind helps eliminate the excess water in the body, which helps normalize blood pressure. Rich in citrulline, the rind favors the cardiovascular system, helping maintain arterial and blood vessel elasticity. Isn't it amazing? Improves the urinary system. Watermelon rind can detox the urinary tract and helps avoid infections. Did you know that? Strengthens the bones. The rind of watermelons also strengthens the bones, thanks to the lycopene, which plays a role in bone health. It also helps reduce oxidative stress due to its antioxidant powers. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Increases libido. Besides helping with physical activities, citrulline is an aphrodisiac that enhances the libido and sexual performance. Helps with hair health. Did you know that watermelon rinds help prevent dandruff and hair loss? It helps because it has lots of vitamins and minerals. To use it, massage your scalp with the white part of the rind. Isn't it nice? Cleans the skin. The rind has components that make it astringent, which makes it great to clean the skin. To use it, massage your face with the white part of the rind. Avoids dehydration. Just like the fruit, watermelon rinds have components that regulate the osmotic cycle, preventing dehydration. They are good complements to your daily liquid ingestion, like water and juices. With all those benefits, let's see how to use watermelon rinds in a tasty juice. This juice, besides being nutritious, is also easy to make. Write down the ingredients: 2 watermelon slices with the rinds, 1/2 glass water. Directions: in a blender, combine the watermelon slices and the water and blend well. Now you can drink your juice. Since this juice uses watermelon rinds, it should be well sanitized to avoid any bacteria. Now tell us, did you know that watermelon rind could be used in all these ways? Try this juice and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.